Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've stumbled upon something truly ancient. This is a 100-year-old, heavily rusted and completely abandoned knife. Looking at the thick layers of rust, most people would consider this pure junk. But today I'm going to challenge myself to restore this back to its former glory. Let's see if we can turn this piece of trash into a masterpiece. Disassembling the handle, 1:30 to 3 o'clock. The first task is to get rid of this rotted, broken wooden handle. The years of neglect have fused the wood and rust together, making it incredibly stubborn. I'm using a hammer and chisel with precision to separate the handle without damaging the core of the blade. It requires a lot of patience and steady hands. Grinding away the rust, 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Now that the handle is off, you can see the true extent of the damage. I'm using an angle grinder and heavy-duty sanding discs to strip away decades of oxidation. Watch how the sparks fly as the fresh steel finally starts to reveal itself. It's a messy process but deeply satisfying to watch the rust disappear. The blade is clean, but now we need that professional mirror finish. I'm going through several stages of wet sanding, moving from coarse to very fine grits. After hours of sanding, I'm applying a buffing compound to get that reflection. Finally, I'm sharpening the edge to make it razor sharp once again. A great blade deserves a great handle. I've selected a piece of premium hardwood for this project. After measuring and drilling the holes, I'm fitting it securely to the blade and sanding it down to a smooth, ergonomic finish. The grain of the wood looks absolutely stunning now. And there we have it, the final result. It's hard to believe this is the same rusty piece of metal we started with. The transformation is night and day. Just look at that shine and watch how effortlessly it slices through paper. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.